Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in a comfortable cross-legged position. Let's place one hand on our heart and one hand on our belly. Take a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a deep inhale, breathing in. Let it out through your mouth. Relax your arms as you breathe in and out through your nose. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head. Switch sides. Let's come back to center now, lowering our right ear to our right shoulder again. And now you drop your head back, left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest. Let's repeat that, taking some head circles. Switch the direction of your head circles and really take your time with these. Feel free to close your eyes. We come back to center for a side body stretch, reaching your left arm up and over. And now reach your left arm up and back, opening your chest up towards the ceiling. Reach forward, lowering your hand down towards the mat. Again, reach up and back. And lower your hand down, this time coming into a fold, a forward fold over that right thigh. Relax your upper body. Let's come into our side body stretch with our right arm this time, lifting up and over. Reach your right arm up and back. And now reach forward, lowering your hand. Again, we reach up and back. And you lower your hand down, coming into a forward fold over that left thigh.
You're different and special.
We rise back up to center. Take a big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Walk your hands forward. And let's just sway gently from side to side, releasing any tension. Relax your head and your neck. And we slowly rise back up, making our way into a tabletop position on hands and knees. Cow pose. Drop your belly low as you look up, shining your chest forward. Cat pose. Round your spine. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Move through your cat-cows at your own pace. Come back into your tabletop as you reach your right arm up. Take some circles with your right hand. And now take some arm circles to the back. And to the front. Lower your right hand down. Lift your left arm up, taking some circles with your left hand. Arm circles to the back. Arm circles to the front. And lower your left hand down as you lower onto your belly for your Sphinx pose. Your elbows are right underneath the shoulders. You are pressing into your forearms, and you really want to relax your lower body. So relax your glutes and your legs, and you just look forward. Begin to lower your chin towards your chest. You lift your head. Staying in your Sphinx pose, you bring your left leg into a half frog. So that just means you work your knee up to where your knee is in line with your hip. You want to relax all of your muscles here. Try not to tense up anywhere. And now you're going to reach your left arm forward, threading the needle with your right arm, and just lowering your right cheek or your right temple down to the mat. Now, if this feels uncomfortable, you do not have to do this. You can always rest your right cheek on the backs of your palms. Place your left hand on top of the right so that your palms are touching. And we open up into a supine twist by reaching our left arm over towards the other side as you begin to rotate onto your back. Let's bring that left arm up and over to meet that right hand. And come back into your Sphinx pose. Let's do that on the other side. Starting with that half frog, working that right knee up so that it's in line with the hip. Relax your glutes, relax your legs and your feet. Reach your right arm forward, threading the needle with your left arm, or you can take any other variation that feels good to you. Place your right hand on top of your left. And we open up into our supine twist, reaching that right arm behind us, rotating a little bit more onto the back. Bring your right hand back to meet your left. And we come back into our Sphinx pose. Walk your hands forward towards the corners of your mat. You can stay like this, or you can start to straighten your arms. Relax your lower body. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you start to walk your hands a little bit closer towards you. But if you start to notice your lower body tensing up, you can always lower down a little bit. Let's all lower back down now, pressing back into a child's pose. Open your knees really wide. Rest your forehead. Can you walk your hands forward a little bit more, stretching a little bit deeper? Come back into your tabletop and just take some cat-cows. And let's have a seat. Lower down onto your back, hugging your knees into your chest. Lower your legs to the left, coming into your stacked supine twist. Let's open the arms wide. Make your way to the other side. And let's come back to center. Relax your legs long on your mat towards the corners of your mat. Keeping your arms out wide, you close your eyes and take some deep breaths. As you relax here, I'm going to read you some affirmations. I remain calm even in the midst of chaos. I am unbothered by what I cannot control. I am allowing good things to flow to me. I am allowed to take my time. I am free to rest without guilt. I am choosing joy and positivity today. I am seen. I am worthy. I am enough exactly as I am. Take a few moments to relax and let those affirmations wash over you from head to toe. Let's end our class with one final inhale, breathing in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.